I get so much love from pretty fly bitches. The bum bitches be hating.
I'm vlogging today. So me and Diane is on our way to Far Rock Beach. We've been fiending to go to the beach ever since Miami. So it's like 90 degrees today. Let me check what degrees it is right now. It's 10:30 in the morning. So it's 84 degrees right now and it's 10 in the morning. I know it's gonna be baking all day. Right now we're about to go cop and then we're gonna get on the train and head over there. Come with us. Our outfit. We fake matching or whatever. It's hot as fuck outside. I like long skirts because it feels like I'm fake naked. So I feel okay. I don't feel like I'm burning up. It's not that bad. The pot shop. Let's see.
So we got age that range from 20, 25, 30, going all the way up to 60 for our top shelf.
Okay. ESD.
Which is very nice.
I'll try that.
If you want to see it real quick.
We can, can we see that?
Yeah, of course. That's how it looks.
Ooh. Ooh. It look good.
Okay, yeah. I'll take that.
Look at all the good, like, edibles and shit. Look at the cookies.
40 flat.
You gotta throw the dart for a free eighth, right? Okay.
If you hit the bullseye.
Girl. Oh, I thought you was gonna get it.
You sent that already?
Yeah.
All right.
D, right?
D.
Yep. Thank you.
Have a good one. All right, we have to come to another smoke shop to get some grabber. Hot grabber?
Yeah.
Okay. Because we don't like that other shit.
What?
Yes, please. You want water?
See. Oh, we're gonna need a lighter, bro.
Oh, yeah, lighter.
Can I get a Bic? The small one. Can I get the pink? Yeah. Thank you. I like the paintings in here. So I'm not having kids. Thank you. That baby is doing too much. And it's packed as fuck here. Why is it so packed on the stop? We're not getting on this one.
Nah, definitely.
But it's not. The guy in the store gave me this mouse for only $5. I don't know if it was pretty privilege or what. Period. But I was like, I really want it. And I've been needing a mouse really bad. So, also, in the smoke shop, when you purchase for your first time, they give you a free pre-roll. Bless. So we're about to smoke this right now. We didn't even get on the train because it was too hot. It says really smoking on the plate for me, right? Got up on the wrong stop. Yeah, we finally got off the fucking train. We got on the train at like 11:30 and it's 1:30?
Yeah. It's 1:45.
1:45. So it took us 2 hours and like 15 minutes. Or something like that. I don't know. But yeah. This shit deep as fuck. It looks so quiet out here. Like, I'm so used to the loudness. We finally got to the beach. Not NYPD being the fucking DJ. I'm crying. It looks so fucking pretty out here. We walked all the way this way just for the spot we wanted to eat to be fucking closed. So, what are we doing? We in a deli now. I'm getting a chopped cheese right now. And Diana's getting honey turkey provolone something. I know y'all gonna be like, oh my god, meat. Yes, it's my cheat day. So I'm back in the gym now and I want to gain more weight a little bit because I feel like I lost too much weight. So the only way for me to do that is to eat lots of protein. So now I have 3 days out the week that I eat meat. I don't know what to get to drink. I don't know if y'all work out or anything, but these drinks before you hit the gym Oh my god, and it's like all natural. Like this is probably like the best energy drink you could get for yourself. It's like green tea, black tea, I don't know, shit like that. And yeah, it tastes mad good too. So this is everything we got from the store, bro. We really gonna be munching down. It looks so pretty. We got the perfect view right now, and it's so cool because we're next to the water. Ah, perfect. Went dumb on the chopped cheese. Oh my god. Nice as fuck out here. The water is freezing cold. I wish I knew how to surf. Like I'm looking at the surfers and they look like they're having so much fun. I'm not getting too deep, but the water feels so good. You can still see my feet. You see them surfing? They really all over there surfing. Look at the waves. Ooh, that one came up to my thighs.
Crazy them. But you know I can't swim.
This is a big wave.
Girl, wait.
Look, there's like a little hole right here in the middle. Keep walking, you're gonna feel it. It's so pretty. I love the beach. So while editing right now, I realized I wrote my name with my left hand. So does this mean
ambidextrous?
Gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat. Don't gotta hurry in the love. When you ride with me, don't gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
Yo, alright, yeah, we finally leaving. I feel like I look tan as fuck.
Wow, me too.
Oh my gosh. I look crazy. It's hot. It took us so long to wipe out, shove down. I was gonna show y'all, but it's too much. But we're about to be on our way back home. It's gonna take 2 hours. And got this lynchy soda. Let me see. Lynchy tea. I wanna taste it.
You are garbage. That's why people be littering. Where's the garbage can?
Bro, they got garbage bags on the floor. I dropped your phone.
Ciao.
I'm sorry.
See how niggas do me? Ew, paper. Girl, you tan as fuck.
I look dog, right? I know. Right. It's nasty, but it's not. But it is, but it's not.
Give me that.
It tastes like tea. It don't even taste like lynchy for real. It tastes like tea. It tastes like a tea bag. But it tastes cold, so it tastes good. Oh. Hey. We're on the train by ourselves acting bad. They don't even see us.
Did we take a pole dancing class?
Nah.
We should go do it.
Do a pole dance, but it's fine.
Go right here. Oh. Yes. Oh!
We been got home probably like an hour ago. We had took quick showers and shit like that, and we about to head out to go get some hibachi because we've been craving it. The hibachi across the street from Diane's crib is probably the best hibachi I ever
We're not
been
gonna
to.
tell you the name though, because
Facts.
she just literally told you guys it's across the street.
Oh yeah. But we need to hurry up because it closed in literally like 30 minutes. So yeah. How we pulling up to Hibachi? Just got here. It's not empty. Look. Bless. Last time we came here, we had some youngin as our chef, and he bodied. When I say he bodied our food, we hoping that he comes again. We didn't get to get his name so we can request him type shit. But I hope they pull my boy out. I know I'm growing up because I like the soup. I mean, not the soup, the salad now. Diane eats the soup. I really don't like the soup for real. I don't like soup in general. I don't like my food like, I don't know. I don't like soup because it's hot water. Word? Yeah, I don't know, I'm weird. But the salad, this sauce, I don't know. It just tastes so good. Oh, ginger dressing, that's what it is. So
yeah, remember when I said you like ginger dress?
Yeah, but if it's good.
You guys want sake or no? Sake.
Saki, yeah! Now he's playing with him. Oh, you almost had it. Oh, you almost had it. Again. Another one. Oh, yeah. Oh, I thought he wanted your mouth. It looked like it did. No.
Guzzling that shit. She guzzling that shit, child. Oh, he said it's your birthday, child. Oh my god.
I am a dumpling fan now. Only chicken though. Only chicken. And only from this hibachi. This. And this sauce. I don't know what sauce this is, but this shit is dumb good. Ooh! Damn! This sauce. Yummy, yum. It's my favorite part of hibachi, the noodles. My food is finally done. Yummy. Diane took all my vegetables.
No, it's not there no more.
Of course, I got a whole plate to go home. Bless. I got a full baby. I'm back home now. Well, back at Diane's crib. I'm chilling, about to smoke. That's pretty much it. It's the end of the night. I'm tired as fuck. About to watch some Netflix and knock. I hope you enjoyed this video. Follow me on all my social media. I'm gonna put it up here. And then I'm gonna put Diane's right here. I'm gonna put Diane's right here, and then I'm gonna put mine right here. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Fucking love you, baby. I'm hollering at you. Subscribe.